Welcome. If you're looking to update the name of your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. Whether you're rebranding, refreshing your community, or simply correcting a typo, the process is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together so you can give your group a brand new identity in just a few clicks. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights in the group you want to rename. Only admins can change group details, so this is an important first step. Once you're in, look through your chat list and select the group whose name you want to change. Click to open the group chat window. At the top right corner of the group chat, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu for group options. Click on those 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. This will take you to the group's settings page, where you can modify various group details. Now, you'll see the current group name displayed. Click on the group name field, and it will become editable. Type in the new name you want for your group. Take a moment to make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear to all your group members. Once you're satisfied with the new name, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right of the settings window. Click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your group's name is now updated, and all members will see the new name instantly. This simple process helps keep your group organized and up to date, whether you're managing a small team or a large community. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins who might need a quick refresher on managing their Telegram groups. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your newly renamed group.